Exercise number 9. There will be 8 the show which will be given on 29th May. It will be on a Monday. We shall get enough cash at the bank to pay both of them for the job. Usually, we engage a bungalow at the lake for a month. The wage they paid was too low, so Tom had to give up the job. We know the date was unpaid, but they had no cash. Who will aid Anna to get the mail for both of 8 2? We think they will take the boat for Canada on Monday, 12th May. The envelope for the mail was on top of the page. We shall have to ask him to pay for the damage to the gate. We saw them at the game which was on Monday, the 10th of the month. Full stop.